what one seeks in isolation like that, I think what we all seek in different ways, or many people seek in different ways, is to be in harmony with ourselves, to be in harmony with our neighbor, to be in harmony with our environment, to be in harmony with God. And one of the purposes, I think, of prayer is to enable us to be in harmony with ourselves, in harmony with our neighbor, in harmony with our environment. And so often we're not. We use the environment, we abuse it, we take it for granted, and we often think we're the controllers of it. Well, as we've seen in the pandemic, it can bite back, and very savagely indeed. We're not in harmony with our environment. We're not in environment with our world in so many ways, where everything is given a monetary value, judged by its monetary worth. But life is not just about money. Of course, money is important. Money is important to enable us to have decent standard of living for ourselves and for our families. But it's not the criteria by which you can judge everything.